Hello everyone, my name is Jackie. I'm a professor here at Seneca Polytech, and today what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to use a KEYSIGHT E34461A digital multimeter to measure current. When you arrive at the lab, usually what happens is the multimeter might or might not be on, and if it's not on already, you want to turn it on. And to measure current, what you have to do is make sure that the cable is plugged into the current measuring input plug. And the one that says I for current measurement, and we're going to use the 3 amp side and not the 10 amp side. Okay, so we'll plug it in here at the bottom, and then the black cable will go back to the middle. Okay. So this way we have the multimeter set up for current measurement. And then the next thing is to measure current, okay, we have to set it to the current measurement mode. And to get to the current measurement mode, we have to hold shift plus DCV to get to DCI on top. Okay, and if you want to measure AC current and AC voltage, you do the same thing here. You use the CV mode and the ACI mode. So we're going to hold shift, DCV, and now we're in DC current measuring mode. So the next thing on what we have to do is when you want to measure current, okay, the key thing to measure current is always measured in series with the entire circuit. So what we have here is we have two resistors connected in series. It is going from the positive rail across the first resistor, going to this row of the breadboard, and then through the second resistor going to negative, and they're all connected to the power supply here. Now, in order to measure current of our series resistor circuit here, we have to break this circuit and connect our multimeter, which is set to a ammeter mode in series with the circuit. So what we're going to do is let's break the circuit over here. We're going to put that to a third row, okay, circuit, and then now the easiest way is we're going to bring out some jumper wire. So we're going to bring out some jumper wire. Okay. We'll break the circuit, and now we'll have our negative side exposed. Okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to connect the two connection from our multimeter and let the multimeter connection complete the circuit. So we'll have the positive side, okay, connected to the open end of the resistor, and then we'll have the negative side connected to this open end of the negative rail. So let me just make it a bit better so you can see it. Okay, so once again, now what we have here is we have current going from the positive terminal, okay, to the positive rail, passing through this first resistor. The first resistor is connected to the second resistor here, and we broke the circuit. Okay, this resistor was initially connected to the negative rail, but now it is just connected by itself, okay, in a random row on the breadboard. Okay, going to this red alligator clip, which goes to the ammeter, and then it comes back from the ammeter to complete the circuit using this jumper wire that will connect back to the negative rail. Okay. So that's what you have to do to measure current. Okay. And now what we're going to do is we'll turn on our output. Let's do that. Okay. And now we get a measurement of about 2.1 milliamp of current. And that makes sense because our power supply output is 5 volt, and the total resistance that we have right now is 2.4. So when you do the calculation, you get about 2.1 milliamp of current. Okay, so at the end, once you finish your current measurement, okay, same thing as before. Safety is always very, very important. So you want to turn off the power supply, make sure everything is off. Okay, afterward, unplug the cable. Okay. And at the end, if you want to turn off the multimeter, you can also turn off the multimeter as well. Okay, so thank you very much on joining us in this video, and definitely check out some of the other videos that we have on how to use the multimeter in different mode. Thank you.